There she is. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Oh, you're getting ready to start. What's gonna happen today with your exercises?
Today's leg day.
Leg day with
9-week control freak by Autumn Calabrese.
Oh, and you like Autumn, don't you? Who are some of your favorites?
Oh my gosh, I love all the trainers.
You like them all?
But I love Tony Horton has become my favorite, but I love Sean T and Amalia.
Oh, Sean T. Oh, that's...
all of them.
Yeah, I know you love Sean T. Yeah.
Yes. They all do.
Yeah. Well, here you are. The sun hasn't even come over the hill yet, and you're...
Yeah, it's a little chilly out here, but when the sun comes up and you're working out with the sun on you, it gets warm.
Uh-huh.
Forget the core ball.
Okay. So now that's your core ball?
Yes, when you do the core exercises, we use that.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty cool.
And then your step. And what's the new addition that you just did with the workout equipment here? You just bought new weights, didn't you?
Yeah, I needed 15s.
Wow. Now she's got 5-pound weight, 10-pound weights, and two 15-pound weights.
You know, and I'm limited because of the van. If we were in a house, I'd have 20s and 25s and probably 30s, but I gotta go with what we have room for. So.
All right. All right, well, I'll leave you be, and I'll just continue to pack up all the other stuff. And when you're done, we'll be
hitting the road.
Ready to go. You did it. You finished.
I'm dying. My heart rate is really up there.
Welcome to it. Yeah, let me tell you. Sometimes you're going to feel like, hey, I could have done more. Remember, first of all, it is phase 3, and you are stronger. Trust me.
Another beautiful, peaceful sunrise in the desert, just outside of Quartzsite, Arizona. We've been here 3 nights, and it has just been a great experience. Lots of relaxing on this trip, and that's exactly what we wanted. We were in the hubbub of Phoenix, Mesa area, staying at a fancy resort, hitting the pool every day in the hot tub and all that, and that was a good time. But I got to get out into nature, away from the concrete, and this is a great place to do that. We had a wonderful fire last night, and then we turned the fire off and sat for an hour just looking up at the stars. There was no moon, pitch dark out here, and the stars were shining super bright, looking for satellites and shooting stars, and it was just a great time. I love just seeing the saguaros. We've got one guy here, he's looking a little scraggly on the bottom, but just love these saguaros. But there's not many people around us. There's some way in the distance, and there's a big group of people over there. That was all the YouTuber, van lifer YouTube channel people and their followers that were hanging out over there. And the nearest one is this little trailer right here, a few hundred yards away. So it's been very quiet out here. I love it. But we're gonna pack all this up. We'll pack up the chairs and the fire pit. Should only take about 10 minutes at the most to get this all packed up. And we're gonna head to Idlewild, just near Palm Springs, up in the mountains, on the other side of the mountains from Palm Springs. It's gonna be cooler up there. The highs in the low 50s as opposed to the highs which have been in the 70s here. And then the temperature right now in the morning before the sunrise is 45 degrees. Kim is going to do her morning exercises as she always does, and then we will pack up and head out. Let myself get a little scruffy out here in the desert. I do that. I'll go for a few days. I won't shave. I just like to let myself get a little scruffy. That's not to say we're not taking showers though. We take showers every day out here when we're in this van. That's a great thing about this thing, is it carries a lot of water, and Kim and I can take a shower each day. Now it's going to be a quick shower. It's going to be a good shower. But you're going to be quick about it, and you're going to get everything done and can conserve that water. And if we need to, we can run into town and fill up with water and dump our tanks and all that. So we haven't had to do that in this 3-day trip. We've got enough water for us to take a short shower for 3 days before we get down to nothing on our water. So I'll start packing everything up, and Kim will do her exercises, and then we'll head on down the road. We'll stop off in Palm Springs at the grocery store and anything else that we might need, get some gas, and then we'll head up into the hills above Palm Springs to Idlewild, and we'll be in the forest. And there's even talk of a snowstorm coming on Friday, and I hope it does, because I would love to be up in the mountains in a snowstorm. All right, so let's get going.